Hi everyone, it's Deborah from Heat Transfer Source, and here's another idea for a Father's Day gift. My son's daughter, Sophia, is a gymnast. I think I probably told you that before, but I can never tell you too many times. And state finals are coming up in May, so I think Father's Day is in June, but I'll give this to him before then. So I made a little picture with our LP vinyl, and you know you don't have to mirror that. The press is set at 300. I'm going to press this 10 to 15 seconds. You don't have to mirror LP vinyl. So we're going to cold peel this. I know it's hard for you to see because it's just a small picture. So there's the picture of her, and then I've made a little frame out of our 1, 2, 3 flex. So I'm going to press that on, and when it has a plastic carrier sheet, you don't have to use a release paper, although it always makes me nervous, but that's what they say. So our 1, 2, 3 flex, we only press for about 3 to 5 seconds. I'm going to take that off. Oh, that's a cold peel too. You don't want to hot peel that or it's going to pull up. It's going to wrinkle. I forgot about that. Yep, I'm still learning, so hopefully some of you are learning along with me. And this LP vinyl is very soft and flexible, and it washes forever. And then I've made a little wording on here that's going to say Teen Sophia. And with the 1, 2, 3 flex, you do have to mirror that. So I actually remembered to mirror it. How happy am I for that? Now because I've already got some HTV down, I'm just gonna use a release paper. It just makes me feel safer doing it. Oh, cold peel. I'm too eager. I never wanna take the time to cold peel, but you have to do that. Done and done. Now I'm going to press it one more time. Sorry, my release paper fell down. Just to adhere everything, just to bond it, just for the heck of it. I love doing this. It's so much fun. All of my family and friends are getting things whether they like them or not. Think he'll wear that? I hope he'll wear that. That's okay, right? And look, it's really soft and flexible. If you haven't tried this LP vinyl, try it. I think you'll like it. Bye, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.